All right, let's take a look at this last one and kind of see how we did here. So if I break this into pieces, I got a couple of choices. I think no matter how I do it, I'm going to have three pieces to add together. But let's just say that I do this and I do this. Now, you could have done this and this, which would have been perfectly fine. It would add up to the same thing as long as you use the right numbers. So let's take this top rectangle. Again, I'm just going to focus on this rectangle separately here. Okay, don't worry about any of the other numbers or anything. This rectangle is 6 because it's all the way across, and it's 1. 6 by 1 is 6. Okay, coming down here, I think you have the same thing. Now, my shape I didn't draw very well, but 6 and 1. Okay, it's the same thing. So that's 6 by 1, which is just going to be 6. And then here's where you're probably going to have to find some of the numbers out. Okay, dogs are barking in the background here. Hopefully we can get through that anyway. If we just focus on this rectangle right here, and I draw that out, I've got 3 there for sure. And then the rest of what I've got, I got to find out what this is right here. Okay, it's 4 up to this point, and then it's 6 all the way across, meaning this has to be 2, because 4 plus 2 would be 6. Then we do 3 times 2, which would be 6. And every single one of my parts of this was 6 for an area. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 is obviously going to be an area of 18 square centimeters. And actually this one's inches, so it would be 18 square inches. And again, if you cut it like this and like this, you're still going to get 18 square inches. Alright, let's take a look at doing this the other way here. If I put this here and think about this as a whole rectangle, and then we're going to end up taking out this part. Okay, this is a 6 by a 5. 6 by a 5 is 30. Okay, so that would be 30 square inches. 6 by a 5. So now we have to take out this middle part here, and this middle part is going to be just this right here. This is what we're focusing on taking away because it's not actually part of the shape. So this is a 4 by 3. 4 by 3, 4 times 3 is going to be 12. So now if I do 30 minus 12, I get 18. So I'm still going to have 18 square inches no matter which way you did it. Hopefully this is taking shape here and it's pretty easy by now. We'll do a couple practice ones and then we will move on. Eventually you're going to have these where they have triangular shapes that you would cut into, circular shapes they would cut into, but for now we'll keep it pretty basic.